What's up, guys? This is Greg with NC Forestry Mulching. Want to go over a few things. I just started forestry mulching within the past year, and I've currently got a Kubota SBL 95, and I just picked up a new machine. It's a Cat 299 D2 XHP model with the Denis Cimaf or Denis Cimaf head on the front of it, and it actually has the steel knives. My other head on my Kubota is a Lofness G4, and that machine does pretty well. It's got the hammer teeth carbide, so it more or less works the machine just a little bit harder. So I got this machine that I'm going to go through and kind of show you a little bit about everything that that I liked about it and why I chose it. Now, you've got to understand, right now I'm a rookie at this machine. I don't know a lot about it. This is my first Cat piece of equipment. I've owned Kubota, Bobcat. This is my Cat, and this is my first time. My salesman's actually on his way to come and go over some stuff with me, and but I just wanted to give you an update and let you know what I've got going on. I don't think I can reverse this camera, but okay, yeah, I can't. But anyways, you'll see right there she is. The Kubota is down that way, if you can see it. Reason I chose to go with this machine is a few different reasons. Is the machine has got the hydraulic cooler on top, which the Kubota did not have the hydraulic cooler up here. And also this machine's is probably runs neck and neck with and it's debatable. A lot of your ASV guys and your dedicated mulching guys are gonna, talk a lot of shit, which that's okay. It's not a big deal, because this is not a dedicated machine. This can be used for putting a bucket on the front of. I can put numerous attachments on the front of it, and at the end of the day, it's still versatile. I have a landscape business. It's still versatile for pushing snow, doing dirt work, earthwork, site grading, trenching, you name it. I can put a landscape rake on the front of it, or a Harley rake on the front of it. There's so many different things you can do with this machine. So that's why I went with it, because it can still be used for other things pretty easily. And I know ASVs, you can put buckets on them and stuff, but they're more leaning toward the forestry side of the industry, and that's where I want to go. However, you got to start somewhere. So this is I'm pretty proud to be able to own this, and this is something that is pretty much hadn't set in yet. The bill will set in when it comes in, but let me get back with you, and I'm going to go over the machine with you and go over some features that I like about it, and there's some things that I still dislike about it. So we'll catch you later. Okay, guys, so I'm back here with the Cat 299. Sweating, sorry. Cleaned it up a little bit when I got finished. I love it. I know I said I was going to let you know how it went. It's an awesome machine. So far, no dust on the inside. Still got my plastic on there. I try to keep it new as long as I can. The Forestry Land Management Package, I know I had a hard time trying to do some research online about this, and basically this package comes, you get the cooler, which is a level 2. The cooler's right there. It cools your hydraulic lines. Just get the weights on it. You got your mesh here, so nothing can get down in your engine bay. I love that about it. It's got your extra air cleaner right there, which helps you filter out some of the nasty air. Then you got your
day, it'll actually blow it all out. Wrap your exhaust, give a little protection there. And all this neat little metal around everything. The machine's currently running, so I apologize if you can't hear me that great. It's pretty simple. You got your hydraulic cooler. I mean, everything's right here that you get. You got a cutoff switch right here. Got your air filter, your condenser right there. Your AC goes all bitches kicking the brass prop. Oil filters right there. Oil reservoirs right there. Pretty simple machine. Fuel filter. There, that's your hydraulic filter. Right there. That's your water separator. You got another little filter down there at the bottom. That's just basically the components of the rear end of it. I like it because it's compact. It's inside. It's built inside of this small area, and it's easy to clean out. With the level 2 package, you also get these right here. Covers for your lights. The backup camera right here works great. Very good quality video. You've also got your covers here for the other side. There again, you got your mesh. I just ran it for 2 hours. I got off the leaf and blew it out, and hardly anything was on it. So I got the narrow track because I've got a Kubota and it's wide track, and I keep throwing tracks all the time when I'm out working, and that's really not something that's fun to do. But this is the Denis Cimaf 180D head. It's got 27 steel teeth on it, and it is a freaking beast. This doesn't do anything justice right here because it's just a mess. It's my land actually. Just been messing around today. I went down, I've got a trail I've been working on, so I stopped just screwing off here. But I will tell you that the difference that the mulch makes, this Denis Cimaf, is unreal. Steel knives right here in this area was trees like that one, and they're gone. And it didn't bark up one, it didn't hiccup one time. It's a pretty good sized stump. And yeah, I'm a rookie on this machine, but let me show you this, how good. I come through here with my Kubota a while back, didn't get to finish. You see those little wood chips? They're not big as nothing. All right, let me show you this. You see that? That's the carbides on the Kubota, which, I mean, each to his own. Some people love Kubota. I did clear that spot out on my land there. We're actually gonna build a house here. But you know, that is that one neat machine. I definitely would recommend it so far. Right now I've got 4 hours on it, and loved every 4 hour that I've been on it, but that could change tomorrow. However, you know, basically I bought the Kubota as a beginner machine because it was a little cheaper. I used it for about 3 months and I've got it sold now. But the Kubota has got some neat features. Roll-up doors are great, but everything in the brother gets around that door, and it's because there's so many places for it to get around in the Kubota. You know, the cat doesn't. Cat's still got the opening door. Let's get in here and take a look. So you got your, this one comes with the bells and whistles. It's got your pins here. You flip down, it actually closes your window, so it prevents more dust from getting in. This is it's got it all. It's got your AC, both sides like they're dozers. A little cup holder. That ain't worth the food. It ain't that big. Got all your controllers. You got your AC and all of your heat controls here. Got all your controls up here. Let me get in here. Pressurized cab. You got your gauges here. It tells you everything. It tells you your depth level, fuel level. You got your temperature gauges, engine, hydraulic, your RPMs, hours, volts,
the date and time. That is wrong, so don't get confused. It is currently 8/22/2018. It's my daughter's birthday. When you hit your joystick, like you're going backwards, when you pull your joystick back, you get a backwards. It automatically shows you what you're looking at, what the machine's looking at backwards. I love that. That's a nice thing. I had to fabricate one for the Kubota. You can do that, or you can hit this button and it'll stay on full time. You hit your little curly cue, get out of it. So many settings here. You got your lights right there. I've got an auxiliary fan on this thing. You turn that on, it blows out the back there, blows all the dust out. I'm not a rep, I'm not a salesman for Cat, but I'll tell you that this is a whole lot better than Kubota. A lot of guys are going to say, why don't you go with a dedicated machine? But like I told you guys, this is something that I'm going to probably be using for other applications as well in the future. You notice I got a bucket sitting on there, so there's other things that, you know, I may be getting use out of for this machine. But this is a neat feature, I thought. You can see it good enough. This is Bluetooth. Here's your radio. So I got my phone synced to this. So someone calls me. I actually called my wife last night, sitting in the driveway, sitting in this thing, and I had it wide open. And I was talking to her, and she said there was just a little background noise in it. So that's a pretty neat feature too. So far so good. These are adjustable. Where you control your joysticks are on both sides. You can adjust them back and forth. It's just a great all-around machine. Got your buttons, all your buttons here. It tells you right here what everything does. All your warning labels. This is in case you twist it down, twist the other one down, and bust the front glass out if the machine caught on fire or if you were flipped over or something. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to give you an update as we go with this machine, and that way, you know, you can kind of stay in the know. And you know, when I get to probably 100 hours or 50 hours, hell, I might do it tomorrow after 10 hours, I don't know. But as I get hours and accumulate hours on this thing, I'm gonna kind of get you guys to follow me with my journey with this machine, to kind of let you know the ins and outs, the things that I don't know that I will soon find out about the machine. There's going to be things that's going to go wrong. It's man-made. It's not perfect. And you know, this was something that I wanted. Good setup for me. Not the cheapest setup you can have, but it's I like this compared to Bobcat because, for one, the dealer at Bobcat was worried about selling me a machine. He wasn't worried about going over and talking the ins and outs. My salesman for Cat just left about an hour ago. He spent 4 hours with me today playing with this machine, going over this machine, sitting in it, talking me through everything. Half of it I knew, some of it I didn't, but it's still nice to have that peace of mind when you've got a good Cat salesman that's going to come to you. Next week, Denis Cimaf's crew is going to come down, tune the head. The head's cut on low right now. So I'm anxious to see. This thing cut way better than my Kubota today, and it's cut down on low. That Kubota runs wide open. And I know carbides, the hammer teeth cut different from steel teeth, but still the fact that this thing still seemed like it had a little bit more power today, and it's cut down. So I'm very anxious to see how it's going to do when the man comes and actually tunes the head. They wanted me to break it in, and that's what I'm doing. I'll catch you guys later, and hopefully let you guys follow this journey with me, and we'll take it from there. See you next time.